Best deals.
1. Washing tub. The ridged surface of the washboard helps hand wash and remove stains, saving time and effort. You don't have to wait for all the clothes to get dumped to put them in the washing machine. Instead, you can easily wash the ones you need quickly. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Swab holder. It has 4 anti-scratch legs which makes it easier to stand firmly without any wobbling, has an anti-dust cover to keep the contents free from dust. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Slicer. Ergonomically designed handle for comfortable grip and easy operation, suitable for users of all experience levels. Detachable components make cleaning a breeze, dishwasher safe for added convenience. The storage box provides a safe and secure place for blades, preventing accidents and ensuring easy access when needed. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Furniture mover. The appliance lifter is extendable from 17 into 28 into compatible with various furniture sizes. There is a knob at the bottom of this washing machine stand so you can adjust the length to hold items as you need. The appliance lifter can carry it is suitable for heavy furniture and appliances such as washers, dryers, refrigerators, sofas, closets. Each set of washing machine stand is equipped with 24 wheels, increasing the contact area between the wheels and the floor. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass jars. Flip-top lids are easy to open and close, wide mouth is easier to fill and dispense. The spice jars with airtight hinged lids and rubber gasket offer an airtight secure seal preventing leaks and keeping the contents fresher for longer, are ideal for storing spices, herbs, teas, jams, paper clips, bath salts and much more. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Apron. Shield yourself from spills and splashes with high-quality TPU material, ensuring a clean and mess-free cooking experience. Enjoy a tailored fit with the adjustable back waist strap, making this apron perfect for men and women of all sizes. Ideal for cooking, cleaning, gardening, and more. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage basket. The basket folds easily when not in use, saving valuable space in tight areas like laundry rooms, bathrooms, and closets. Designed with multiple compartments to separate children's and adults' clothing, light and dark garments, or towels and toiletries. Smooth rolling 360 degrees wheels make movement effortless. Brake locks provide stability when needed, ensuring secure and safe use. Made from strong PP material, the structure is stable, high capacity, and resistant to deformation, ideal for heavy loads. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cleaner. Made of odorless and non-toxic rubber plus abrasive, safe for the human body. Does not absorb grease and dirt, will not scratch the surface layer of your object, easily solve your various stains, they can help you remove most of the greasy and rust stain. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunch box. Features 2 stacked tiers for separating different types of food, with a round shape for compact storage. Equipped with leak-proof rings on the outer circumference of each tier to prevent spills and leaks. Made from durable stainless steel with a top-notch mirror finish for a sleek appearance and easy cleaning. Comes with an insulated bag to maintain food temperature and reduce condensation. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Storage bags. This 3-layered breathable cotton quilted fabric offers enhanced protection, preventing moisture and dust buildup. Features a clear window to easily identify contents without opening. Ideal for storing saris, lehengas, suits, dresses, seasonal clothes and accessories. It maximizes storage space in beds and closet. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Steamer. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this puttu maker resists rust and cracking, ensuring it remains durable and reliable for long-term use without losing its performance. The flat bottom ensures uniform heat distribution, cooking the puttu evenly, and preventing overcooking or uneven texture, so you get perfectly steamed puttu every time. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Potato masher. Ergonomically designed with a premium soft grip handle that reduces strain on the wrist, making it ideal for quick, stress-free mashing of potatoes and vegetables. Perfect for potatoes, pumpkin, dal, pav bhaji, fruits, or even guacamole, this premium masher doubles as a bowl scraper, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality nylon and stainless steel, Smooth Light is heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, tough on food but gentle on your cookware. Dishwasher safe with a built-in silicone scraper, ensuring quick cleanup and no scratches on your pots or bowls. A premium tool built for everyday cooking. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron kadai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like biryani, sabzi, fried snacks, gravies and many more. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Sipper. Easy to carry for backpacking, office, gym, yoga, hiking, trekking, travel, home, kitchen. This sleek handy tumbler is just the right size, ideal for carrying liquid food items like dal, sambar, rasam, buttermilk, juice, water and other beverages. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Strainer pot. Everyday ready, spacious 5.0L design easily handles big batches of rice, pasta, soups, or steamed veggies, perfect for families or meal preppers. Constructed from food-safe stainless steel that resists rust, wear, and high heat stress, reliable for daily cooking. Integrated lathe strainer lets you pour off water straight from the pot. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Water dispenser. The water gallon pump made of PP material with food-grade silicone hose. BPA-free, no toxic and no smell. Once fully charged, it will last you a long time. The pump can switch on for water dispensing with one button push and will stop automatically after 40 seconds and one button push and will stop automatically after 80 seconds if not stopped manually. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Spin mop and bucket. Head that rotates 360 degrees, allows you to clean hard to reach areas with ease, such as the area under furniture, corners and tight spaces. The square-shaped mop head, it covers more surface area, ensuring efficient cleaning and saving valuable time and effort. The bucket comes with a whole design that can add flow cleaner in water for better cleaning. The built-in drain port makes emptying and cleaning a breeze, eliminating the struggle of pour dirty water. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Lunch boxes. These versatile containers are designed to keep your food fresh and safe, whether you are at home, at work, or on the go. Our containers are microwave safe, allowing you to reheat your meals with ease without lid. The expertly designed leak-proof lids keep your food secure and prevent spills. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Drain basket. Made from high-quality, food-grade ABS plastic, this colander set is built to last. The material is lightweight, BPA-free and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting use in any kitchen. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Plastic brush holder. Designed to hold toothbrushes, toothpaste, and other bathroom essentials, keeping your countertop organized and clutter-free. With self-adhesive backing, installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick to any smooth surface without the need for drilling or hardware. Crafted from high-quality plastic. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Door protector. Wall protector from sofa back, keeping your walls damage-free. Silicone door stopper offering long-lasting protection for any home. Rubber door stopper acts as door protector, sofa wall protector and wall protector from chair. Sofa back protector from wall stickers requires no tools, just peel, stick and protect. Doorknob wall protector comes with poo gel, which helps it stick on your any surface. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Dish drainer basket. The perfect solution for keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this durable basket is designed to hold all of your dishes, pans, sauces, ladles, spoons, and more. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Dosa Tawa. Triple layer ceramic reinforced coating delivers superior non-stick cooking results. Ideal for daily use as a roti tawa, dosa pan, or versatile non-stick tawa that requires less oil and ensures healthy meals. Made from extra thick 4 mm virgin aluminum for uniform heating across the surface. This non-stick pan ensures perfectly cooked rotis, dosas, parathas, and pancakes without hot spots. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Hand wash dispenser. This kitchen dish soap and hand soap dispenser set is made of high-quality ABS material, safe BPA-free and corrosion-resistant, fashionable and convenient. This hand wash dispenser is an excellent choice for your kitchen and gifts. This kitchen dish soap and hand soap dispenser set is made of high-quality ABS material, safe BPA-free and corrosion-resistant, fashionable and convenient. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Doorbell. Features a magnetic chime that rings gently when the door opens. Ideal for small doors, creating a welcoming sound in your home or shop. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Coffee bean grinder. To maintain the aroma and flavor of the coffee, this grinder comes with a burr grinding system. To meet the different grinding needs, Coffee bean grinder has 30 grinding settings. Coffee bean grinder comes with a quantity adjustment knob which allows you to make 2 to 14 cups according to your requirements. Coffee bean grinder has an anti-static design for mess-free grinding. For easy grinding, this coffee bean grinder has a powerful motor of 500 RPM. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Toilet seat. Keep your perineal and perineum clean. Soothe hemorrhoids, anal fissures, vaginal inflammation, boils, and post-episiotomy stitches. Ideal for people who struggle to get in and out of a bathtub. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Pill organizer. Silicone strip with sealed buckle, lid of the tablet box for medicine. Pill organizer box weakly would not open automatically once closed. Protect your pill in multiple dimensions. Even if the medicine case organizer falls from hand, it will protect the internal compartments, will not let even one pill fall from the box, and will keep your medicine intact. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Sealer. Mini sealing machine with USB charging, perfect for home, office and travel. Airtight sealing plus built-in cutter for easy packet opening. Magnetic back design, stick it on your fridge or metal surface for quick access. Fun, compact, and lightweight sealer machine for everyday use. Seal snacks, chips, biscuits, frozen food and more to lock in freshness. With a focus on functionality, durability, and modern design, products are crafted to meet the needs of every household, ensures hygiene, convenience, and long-lasting performance, helping you maintain a spotless and organized home effortlessly. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Vegetable slicer. Ideal for dry fruits, onion, cucumber, banana, ginger or chili and soft vegetables. Sturdy holder to handle slicing material. Rotary button provided for different slicing thickness setting. Detachable container, easy to clean. Sturdy stainless steel blade for sharp cutting in long lifespan. The cutting blade is made of premium quality stainless steel for the long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Piping bag. Made from high-quality cotton bag with inner side food-grade plastic laminated. Cotton exterior provides for excellent control and grip, even interior helps with smoother icing flow and easy cleanup. Just screw on, off the couplers to fast-changing nozzles, and you can make different patterns at once. Double stitching ensures bag won't get leak. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Kulfi mold. Will help you create the perfect traditional kulfi at home with the flavor of your own choice. These popsicle sticks are well designed and perfect for making yummy frozen desserts like umbrella-shaped ice cream, gola, ice candies, kulfi, juice sticks, frozen coffee and many more. Kulfi mold set is designed to make drip-free kulfi and give a clean and mess-free experience. Using this kulfi mold will keep your fingers and clothes free from sticky drips and will be successful in satisfying your late-night dessert cravings. Washable and reusable molds. Hand wash in hot soapy water. Avoid abrasives or sharp utensils. Aluminium kulfi maker mold set comes with 4 kulfi cone. Product link is given in the 30-second link. 33. Mixer grinder. With 75W turbo power motor and 4 jars, for perfect grinding, chopping, kneading and juicing. Turbo top density motor supports grinding of even the toughest spices like turmeric, garam masala, pepper and get the finest of results. 3 speed settings for superior grinding performance for coarse and fine grinding. The mixer grinder comes with 3 custom-sized jars for Indian recipes with high-grade stainless steel blades for fine grinding experience of dry and wet ingredients. Specially designed gear drive technology enables RPM reduction for performing low-speed food preparation, which provides not just finest mixer grinding but also chopping, grating, slicing and kneading. Advanced Axe patented cooling technology keeps the motor cool even during extended use, ensures longer life and consistent performance. Razor sharp 304 stainless steel blades, precision engineered rust resistant blades for smoother, faster results every time. Enjoy refreshing smoothies and healthy juices, minus the seeds and pulp. Designed for efficiency and durability, powerful blades ensure smoother textures and consistent results, capable of blending and grinding ingredients in under 1 minute. Product link is given in the 33rd link.